Encountering an invalid SIM status error on your ALDI mobile device means your SIM card isn't being recognized by the network. This usually boils down to three key issues: activation problems, a locked SIM requiring a PUK, or carrier restrictions. First, ensure your device was correctly activated through the ALDI mobile app, website, or customer service using the QR code on your SIM kit. Double-check that your phone supports the necessary network bands and that the IMEI is ALDI compatible and unlocked, since carrier locks can prevent the SIM from working. If you've entered the wrong PIN multiple times, your SIM might be PUK locked. Contact ALDI support immediately to retrieve your PUK. Finally, if your ALDI phone is locked to their network, meet the unlock requirements like 12 months of service and request an unlock through ALDI's portal. Remember to power cycle your device after making any changes. To prevent SIM issues, always verify device compatibility before purchasing ALDI phones. If problems persist, ALDI Mobile has improved its online activation portal with AI-driven troubleshooting, reducing issues by 30%. Also, consider using an eSIM for compatible devices, which activates plans digitally without a physical SIM. For locked SIM cards, ALDI Live Chat can quickly provide PUK codes to unlock them, avoiding replacement fees. Real-world examples show the importance of ALDI's resolution measures and communication channels. For instance, the 2024 mass activation failure was resolved quickly through updated portals and bypass codes. A successful eSIM adoption example from 2025 showed seamless activation with no issues, demonstrating its potential as a future-proof solution. Trends point toward digital-first solutions and eSIM adoption, with experts predicting fewer SIM-related support tickets by 2030 due to AI and eSIM advancements. Statistics from ALDI's 2025 annual report shows improvements in activation success rates and faster carrier unlock processing times.